how to enable end-to-end encryption in Zoom. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to enable end-to-end encryption E2EE for enhanced privacy? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up your browser, head over to the Zoom's website, and then make sure that you're logged in. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll find My Account, tap on the arrow, and head over to Settings. From here, you'll need to go to Meeting and then scroll down, and you can see under default encryption type, if it is set to enhance encryption, just tap on end-to-end encryption and hit save. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.